Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and now we can find and enter the Play Store. So just tap on it. Of course, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you need to do it right now, so you will be able to, for example, download the updates. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so now we need to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. And here, let's go to Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the list of all updates pending. As you can see, in my case, I've got only one. But basically, I just wanted to show you that here in this section, it depends what you want to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and your device will update all of listed updates, or just find a specific app and tap on Update next to it. And now your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.